In front of me is Redmi A5 and today I would like to show you where you can locate all typing options. Begin by launching your keyboard. Now, if you have suggestion strip enabled, you can click on gear icon at the top of it and click on text correction right away to manage all of those options. If you don't have it enabled though, you can always go into settings, scroll all the way down and tap on system. Then select keyboard, on-screen keyboard, and finally keyboard. Now hit text correction, and as you can see the same options are over here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!